begin, we've got to do a step, because you're faced forward, and if you notice, the next movement, you're going to go to the side. And so for that, you actually need some fancy footwork, and it's a step to that direction. Okay, but rather than just doing that, you've got to learn how to step properly in Tai Chi. With balance, if you notice you do that, double weighted, you've got weight on both legs. So the first thing I want to do is I want to turn, put weight on this leg, but I can't because my foot's going that way and I might put pressure on my knee. So I put my weight on my heel, and then I can turn my waist and then put my weight back onto the toe, and as I do so, that heel drags in. Remember when we do this in each lesson? Dragging the heel in. That's exactly what you're doing here. So you put your weight into the heel, turn it in, and then put the weight back onto that foot. Now you've done that, you should be able to pick up this foot. Okay, again, you've got your balance, heel down, and then roll the weight onto it. Okay. Another movement that we often do is this one. So this is great. In a moment I'll turn around to. Okay, and we often do this, don't we? This walking meditation. This zigzag, I always call it. And if you notice, you're going one corner towards the other corner, so you're turning 90 degrees, each time picking up the foot, place it down. And so you've got this type of thing. The only difference is that now, rather than going zigzag towards the corners, your 90 degrees is that way. So you do exactly the same thing. You put your weight into the heel, turn the foot in, whole body over that leg, pick it up, heel down, and roll the weight onto it. Okay? To be perfect, remember, I've changed direction, of course. I've got my ward off here, hands there. Turn it in, whole body over this one. And again, I want my feet shoulder distance. Well, that one, remember, has created that already. So if I pick this up and then place it back roughly where it was, I should have my feet shoulder distance. So I've got balance. Otherwise, again, you'll end up this way, which is very, very off balance. The hands, you please note, don't do very much at all. While you're turning, they actually keep exactly where they are, so they balance you. Heel down, and then you can just transfer the weight. Do it one more time. So the arm's gone round, turn the hands, weight, pick it up, heel down, and then you put the weight onto it. All what happens is that as soon as the heel touches, then and you put the weight onto it, the right arm comes up to here. So it's two-handed ward-off. So first we do one-handed ward-off on the left-hand side. Such an important move. It's great for your lungs, it's good for your left side. So then you're going to do another one on the right-hand side, on this side. Fingertips, okay, facing towards the elbow. And from here, it's like a Chinese clap. Lovely kind of feeling of energy between the palms. Okay. Let me do it again. So you're here like this. You step, bring your arms upward, and then down. Keep it really relaxed and loose. Now we've stuck it together with everything, haven't we, really here? Round in a circle. Turning the right foot, sinking back down. Well, it's the first time onto it, isn't it? Stepping forward, single hand ward off. Gaze right, turn the hand, whole body over that leg, pick up the right foot, place it down, and as you put your weight forward, just bring up the right hand. Again, if you notice, this is the most beautiful thing about it, Tai Chi is not only single-footed, it's also single-handed as well. So that's a double-handed move, the first one. But if you notice when you do this one, it's the left hand that's the active one. The right hand can't hardly be bothered to tell you the truth, right the way around. And then from here, If you notice, the right arm doesn't move at all. It's only left arm, and then suddenly the right arm takes over. Look. And then again, the right arm again. Isn't that wonderful? So, you know, it looks like everything's moving in Tai Chi, and actually it isn't. There's only kind of either left or right. One's active, one's passive, one's yang, one's... Providing you can see the hands, of course. So from here, the right arm moves around. Turn the hands. So remember the footwork. Pick up the foot, heel down, bring the right arm up. Double hand ward off.